Alright, welcome to Parallel Lines 2. In this worksheet you're going to be using the properties of angles formed by a transversal and parallel lines to solve for x on this side. And then on this side here, you're going to solve for x and then go ahead and find the measure of the indicated angle. So there's a little extra step there. Alright, so here, first thing we got to do is figure out what the relationship between these two angles is. And what we have to figure out to answer that is, are they part of the same set here or not? So again, I'm going to make this zigzag pattern in one color. That's blue. And then green, going the other direction. And we see that 11x minus 4 and 95 are part of the same zigzag pattern, which means that they are congruent. 11x minus 4 is equal to 95. Now, if they were both green, they'd also be equal. But if one was green and the other was blue, then they'd be supplementary. They'd add up to 180. So let's see here. First thing we'll do is we're going to add 4 to both sides. And then we're going to end up with 11x equals 99. And then we're going to divide by 11 on both sides. And we're going to end up with x equals 9. There we go. All right, let's do another one. Oh. Actually, let's not do another one. Let's move to the back side. Alright, so here we're doing the same kind of thing, except we have to find the measure of the indicated angle. And just to make sure you're clear on which one is the indicated angle, here it's that one there. It may be hard to see on your version of the worksheet which one's bold or not. It's right there. Moving down, it is this one right here, that angle. Next door, it's that angle right there. And then down the bottom, it's that angle there. And over here, it's, I think, that angle. Okay. So you're not only going to solve for x, you're going to make that extra step to find out what the actual measure of the angle is. So when we look here, we go. I'm going to mark my 4 angles in their zigzag pattern. And I'll go in the other direction. Now I see that the x plus 84 is a red angle, but the x plus 114 is a blue angle, which means that they're not congruent, they are supplementary. So I'm going to set my equation up like that. I'm going to say x plus 114 plus x plus 84 equals 180. The first thing we have to do here is combine like terms. I've got an x and another x, so altogether I have 2x. And I've got 114 and 84, which altogether is, let's see, 198. And all that together equals 180. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 198 from each side. And that's going to leave me with 2x equals negative 18. And then I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x equals negative 9. So then we're going to go back up here to x plus 84. X plus 84. And I'm going to substitute negative 9 for x. Okay. And then we'll say negative 9 plus 84 is, let's see, 75. So 75 degrees for the unknown angle. Let's do one more. For number 8, I'm going to go through our zigzag pattern here. Green, 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 green. Go in the other direction. Red, 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 red. You see that both our angles in this case are red angles. So we're going to set it up that they're congruent. So 13x plus 3 equals 14x minus 6. Okay, so let's see. First I'll subtract 13x from both sides. I could have subtracted 14x from both sides, but then I'd end up with negative x. I don't really want that. So we end up with 3 equals 14 minus 13, which is just 1, or just x, minus 6. Add 6 to both sides. And we end up with 9 equals x. Okay. Then we'll go back up here to 13 x plus 3. And we will substitute 9 for 13, or for x, sorry. And then we end up with, see, a little more room over here. Bye-bye.
Camera.
Oh yeah, and then 13 times 9 is 90 and 27, which is 107, plus 3, which all together gives us 110 degrees. So there we go. All right. Well, good luck with the rest of these. Go ahead and make sure you check your answers when you're done. And have fun.